Alright, I'm making this video here to show you how to light the furnace. Alright, first thing so you don't get a little blowback is you want to shut the furnace off. It's that light switch right there. Come to the front here, take off the service panel. Then set that over there, okay. Now, that's your gas valve. And where you want to light it is back underneath it. Follow this wire back to there. To that. Okay. So see, and you want to hold it up there on that. Wait a minute. There we go. You want to hold it up on that thing there. At the same time, and I can't do it while I'm doing the video, as you turn this to, let's see there, turn it to pilot, I believe. Where's it at? Hold on. Let me see here. Oh, I think it's this red button here. Yeah, I think it's this red button here. Or one of them. Okay, I think you hold that red button. Let me see if I can light it. Alright. You have to turn this. It was in the on position when I was there, so the arrow's going that way towards the side of the house. You got to turn it so the arrow is going towards the front of the house. And then push this button down in. And that's your pilot light. Okay. So then, as I'm holding this button in, let me see if I can get this lit here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to do it. I got to take his... So I took the lighter there and lit that. So if I can do it right here. I got to take the lighter back and stick it there like that and then light it. Now you got to hold it there. So because it blew out, so it's going to be cold. So you got to hold it. And then you slowly let your finger off the red button. And then it stays lit. All right. Now you come up here to this and you turn it to the on position, right? Now when I was telling you earlier that you got to watch you don't get a backdraft, because if you didn't shut the furnace off, it would have fired up and blew back in your face. All right, now let's see if this baby lights up here. Hold on. Oh. All right, now I'm gonna flick the light switch back on. Switch right here. And if your thermostat's on upstairs, which I might have to go up and take a look, it's got on a time delay too. Let me go upstairs and turn the thermostat on. All right. So I went up there and turned your thermostat on, and now it's going. So what had happened is, I think the wind is blowing through this pipe right here. This is your chimney, and it's pushing air back through and blowing it out. But it's not doing it to your hot water tank because it's gas. So it should be good. And all you gotta do is put this cover back on. I can feel the heat coming off of it. So, and that's how you do it.